Hello and welcome to Free PT. My name is Pete West. I'm a physical therapist and a personal trainer. We're talking about neck pain today. I want to show you some real basic stretches. One of the easiest ones that we can do is take your ear to your shoulder, take your hand and wrap it around, and pull very gently. And just get a good stretch right here through the upper trap and the scalenes. Shouldn't be painful, maybe a little bit tight, a little bit uncomfortable, but that's okay. Hold this for 30 seconds. I suck at counting to 30, so I always count 10 deep breaths. I'm not going to quite get the full 10 deep breaths here, but that's okay, we're just demonstrating. Come out of it slowly, go to the other side. Gentle overpressure, shouldn't be cranking on your neck, it shouldn't be painful. Just trying to stretch the upper trap and the scalenes right here on the side. Hold that. Breathe, relax, 30 seconds. You can do that as much as you want. Usually I have my patients in the office do it at least 2 or 3 times. Next stretch is for the levator scapula in the back of the neck, a muscle that gives a lot of people problems. For that one, I'm going to look down at my armpit, same side, grab the back of my head, pull gentle. You should feel a good stretch in the back of your neck. Shouldn't be painful, maybe a little bit tight, maybe a little bit uncomfortable, but not painful. Breathe. Relax. Same thing on the other side. Notice how I come into it and go out of it slowly, right? Kind of like trying to sneak up on the muscle. Look down at the other armpit, hand up, back of the head, pull gentle. You should feel a good stretch in the back of your neck on the opposite side. Remember, with stretching, it's not going to be effective unless you have a long duration of at least 30 seconds, a low load, again, just gentle pressure, and of course, relaxed. That's one of the key things to it. I see people in the gym all the time stretching whatever muscle, but they're really bearing against it, right? And if they're doing this and they're like, you're not going to get a good stretch because your muscle is going to be fighting you. Your muscle is tightening up against you, resisting you. You actually have mechanoreceptors in your neck saying, don't do it, don't do it, don't stretch, it's going to hurt, we're going to get injured. Their job is to contract against that stretch and stop the stretch. So when you go into the stretch, you've got to get those mechanoreceptors to calm down and relax. And when they do, you'll feel the stretch actually increase. Another trick you can do is called post-isometric relaxation. So for that, if I wanted to go this way, I'm stretching this side of my neck, I'm going to pull my head to the right against the stretch, and I'm going to hold it in an isometric contraction. Up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. And when I relax, I get more of a stretch out of this side. It's like a trick that you're playing on your muscle. Again, it's called post-isometric relaxation. Same thing on the other side. Go into the stretch, hand up here, pull up against my hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I relax. And when I relax, I get a better stretch. When I'm pulling up, I'm not going as hard as I can. It's just enough to activate the muscle. Just turn the muscle on. Don't push as hard as you can. It's going to be plenty when you hold that contraction and then release it. You'll get a better stretch. Hope these videos have been helpful.